In this lesson we cover variables, one of the most fundamental ideas in all of programming. By the end you will know how to store a value, give it a name, and use it anywhere in your code. A variable is simply a name that points to a value. You create it by writing a name, then an equals sign, then the value. Python does the rest, no extra steps needed. Imagine a cardboard box with the word age written on the outside. You put the number 30 inside. Later, whenever your program needs that number, it just looks up the box called age. Line 1. We write age equals 30. Python creates a variable named age and stores the number 30 in it. That is all it takes to make a variable. Line 2. We reassign age to age plus 1. Python reads the current value of age, which is 30, adds 1 to it and stores 31 back into the same variable. Variables can be updated as often as you like. Line 3. Print of age asks Python to display the current value of age on the screen. Because we updated it in line 2, Python will show 31. When we run the program, Python prints 31. Line 1 set age to 30, line 2 added 1 to make it 31, and line 3 displayed that result. 3 things to take away. Variables store values under a name. They can be updated whenever you need, and names must start with a letter or underscore, never a digit.